Hello again, everybody.
Hola.
Ahlan. Namaste.
Habari.
Hallo.
Ni hao. Bonjour.
Hallo.
Today from our box, let's unpack LivePeer, break it down in simple terms, and make it easy for you to understand. The goals of this video: firstly, to guide you on the fundamentals of the LivePeer technology platform, how it works and its real-world uses. Secondly, help you make an informed investment decision on whether or not to invest in it, based on the basics that you'll discover.
Disclaimer: information contained in this video is not official investment advice, rather purely for educative and entertainment purposes only.
Fair enough? Okay, let's take a dive in, shall we? What is LivePeer? LivePeer is a decentralized network that aims to revolutionize video processing, distribution, and delivery. Think of it as a global community of computers working together to make videos look great and play smoothly across various devices and internet connections. When you're watching videos online, there's a lot of work happening behind the scenes to make sure the video loads fast and looks crystal clear. LivePeer helps with this process. It's called transcoding, based on the blockchain, in a way that securely and fairly manages who's doing what work. How does the LivePeer platform operate? Step 1. Broadcasters. These are individuals or companies who send their raw video streams to the LivePeer network. Step 2. Transcoders. These are like special computers in the LivePeer network that change videos so they work well on all sorts of devices and internet speeds. Step 3. Consumers. Viewers who access the transcoded video streams through applications or websites that integrate with LivePeer. Why does LivePeer matter in the online video world? Firstly, cost efficiency. By harnessing the power of decentralization, LivePeer offers cost-effective video processing compared to traditional centralized solutions. Secondly, quality and reliability. With a decentralized network of transcoders, LivePeer ensures high-quality video streaming experiences for viewers. Thirdly, censorship resistance. Content creators have more control over their content, free from the risk of censorship or interference from centralized authorities. And finally, monetization opportunities. Content creators can earn rewards for participating in the network as transcoders or receiving tips from viewers. So what are the benefits of LivePeer for you and I, the regular people? 1. Lower costs. By decentralizing the video streaming infrastructure, LivePeer can potentially reduce costs associated with video delivery and transcoding services, making it more affordable for content creators and service providers. 2. Censorship resistance. The decentralized nature of LivePeer makes it more difficult for any single entity to control or censor content, promoting access to information. 3. Incentive to contribute. Individuals can participate in the network by running nodes and contributing to video processing tasks, earning LPT token. 4. Quality of service. LivePeer's network is designed to optimize video streaming quality by intelligently routing video streams to nodes that can process and deliver content efficiently. Here are real-world applications of LivePeer. Video streaming platforms. Popular video streaming platforms like YouTube or Twitch can integrate LivePeer to enhance their video processing capabilities. For example, a platform may use LivePeer to efficiently transcode and deliver high-quality video streams to millions of viewers worldwide. Live events. Imagine a music festival broadcasting live performances to fans around the globe. LivePeer can power the transcoding and distribution of these live streams, ensuring a seamless viewing experience for viewers tuning in from different devices and locations. Video on-demand services. A video-on-demand platform like Netflix can leverage LivePeer to process and deliver on-demand video content to subscribers. This could include movies, TV shows, or educational content, all optimized for smooth playback on various devices. Decentralized applications, dApps. Developers can create decentralized applications, dApps, that utilize LivePeer for innovative video-related services. For instance, a decentralized video conferencing platform could use LivePeer to handle real-time video transcoding, enabling users to communicate securely without relying on centralized servers. These real-world examples demonstrate the versatility and applicability of LivePeer across different use cases, from mainstream entertainment to cutting-edge decentralized applications. In summary, LivePeer opens up a world of possibilities for decentralized video processing and distribution. Whether you're a video content creator looking to reach a wider audience, or a developer seeking to innovate in the video space. And now finally, the LPT token, the LivePeer token. LPT stands for LivePeer Token. It is a digital asset or cryptocurrency used within the LivePeer network. This is how it works. Firstly, staking. Owners of LPT can stake their tokens by locking them up in the network. This means they commit their tokens to support a specific video transcoder they trust and believe will do a good job. Secondly, transcoding. Transcoders are nodes, computers, in the network. They need to have LPT staked to them to be chosen to do work. The more LPT staked, the higher the chance they have to be selected for transcoding jobs. Thirdly, rewards and fees. When transcoders complete video transcoding tasks, they earn rewards in the form of new LPT tokens and fees in Ethereum, another cryptocurrency. These rewards are then shared with the LPT holders, who stake their tokens on these transcoders, proportional to the amount they staked. And then, here are the benefits for an investor in the LPT token. 1. Making more money. If you put your LPT tokens into the system, this is called staking, you can get more LPT tokens, and even some Ethereum as a reward. It's a bit like getting interest from money in the bank, but it could be even better if things go well in the crypto world. 2. Having a voice. If you own LPT tokens, you get to help make decisions about how LivePeer is run. You can vote on important issues like making the system better or changing how rewards are given out. 3. Helping cool tech grow. By investing in LPT, you're supporting a new way of streaming and changing videos online. As global online video use grows more and more, the LivePeer network might become more important, and your LPT could be worth more. 4. Watching the market. Just like other digital money, the price of LPT can go up and down based on what people want, new tech developments, and how well LivePeer is doing. If you do choose to invest in the LPT token, this means there's a chance for the value of your LPT to go up. But remember, there are risks too. There's more to LivePeer. In this video, we have made it simple enough to digest. We love making crypto technology and blockchain simple for you to relate to. Please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. It'll take us a long way towards serving you better. Thank you. We wish you well. See you in the next video.